Student, in previous video we have discussed about section B. Now in this video we will going to start section C. The section C is total 12 marks, carries the total 12 marks, and each question that is of 3 marks. So total 4 questions were there. Let's see the first question. 19 number question. What are the causes of water pollution? Discuss how you can contribute in the reducing of water pollution. Here first of all you have to write down before writing this answer you know about the what is the water pollution and how it goes. Then and then you can write down how can you minimize, how can you reduce the water pollution. Let's see the answer in detail. So let's see the causes of water pollution. There are numerous causes of water pollution. The main ones are listed below. The first one, that is industrial process. As we know that the industry manufactures and the factories, they are simply allowed to pour the whatever the toxic chemical which is produced after the processing. They will left into the water bodies before the treatment, and the water that become a polluted, and the oxygen level in the water is also decreased due to this toxic substance. And in this the mainly substance which is give the toxic effect, that is lead, sulfuric acid, mercury, and the used oil. So the first cause, that is of industrial process. When the manufacturer and the factories are simply allowed to pour a toxic chemicals into the water bodies before the treatment, the water become a polluted and the oxygen level in the water is also decreased. The toxic chemicals include a lead, sulfuric acid, mercury, and used oil. Let's see the next question, next causes of the water pollution, that is of inorganic industrial waste. Inorganic waste means you can consider such as acid, mercury, lead, and the heavy metal. So this kind of things comes under to inorganic waste, and due to the this kind of waste, it is give a very harmful effect to destroy the ecosystem of the water body. Here you can see that inorganic waste such as acid, mercury, lead, and the heavy metals can destroy the normal body processes, and the process of in the present of this kind of toxic substance, it is a corrosive substance as well. So in the water it is dangerous to the living things, as I told you that it gives the harmful effect to the ecosystem of the water. And the factories and the other industry dump the waste produce, whatever the waste produced from the industries, that waste product, they directly thrown out into the water without without giving any kind of treatment to them. So the waste product into the water at an alarming rate. So the second cause, that is industrial, or you can say the inorganic industrial waste. The third main cause, which is agricultural fertilizer. So by the process known as a leaching, agricultural chemicals such as a fertilizer and the pesticides, as we know, for the removing a pest and the weeds, the farmers are using a pesticides and the weedicide, and then it is washed out, and that water is collected into the river or lake or as a groundwater. So it is also give the poison, also give the toxic effect to the river, lake, etc., and it is poisoning them. So the third cause, that is agricultural fertilizer. By a process known as leaching, agricultural chemicals such as a fertilizer and the pesticides can wash into the river and lakes, poisoning them. The fourth one, that is untreated sewage from the household, in that the dye, lotion, soap, hair oil, shampoo powder, deodorant, moisturizer, and the many other such products that also contribute in the water pollution. This product is go to the sewage without the treatment, and this kind of untreated product, it give the harmful effect to the water bodies. And the untreated sewage from the household can the contaminate the different water bodies in the process. And when the sewage pipe is break, or you can say the leak, there is a chance that the waste will be contaminate a drinking water too. So sometimes the poorly treated sewage is released into the water body, and the domestic cleaning product can be very dangerous to the pollutant. So the fourth cause is, that is untreated sewage from the household. Now let's discuss about the fifth causes, that is of garbage. As we know that the plastic is a non-biodegradable substance, and the mass of plastic floats water bodies and they contaminate the water. And sometimes this kind of transparent plastic bag, that is look like a jellyfish. So some of the organism which is present in water, they who is depend on the jellyfish for the food purpose. They recognize as a jellyfish and eat them, and they also cause the very harmful effect to their body. The next one, that is of urbanization. As we know that industrialization, due to the urbanization, due to the developing of new techniques. So the urbanization is the key factor in the increasing the amount of water pollution. The seventh one, that is dumping a solid waste. The humans often careless to dump their traces in the sea or near rivers. The eighth main cause is that oil spills. The accidental oil spills have a devastating effect on the seas. The nine main cause, that is dissolve the gases. The polluting gases in the air can dissolve into the salt and the fresh water, and also it contaminate the water and polluted it. The 10 number, that is bought fuel. The fossil fuel used in the shipping industry are one of the largest cause of the both air and the water pollution. Let's see the next, heated water from the power plant. So the some of the power plants that release the heated water into the water body. So what happened? This heated water is reduce the concentration of the oxygen in the water. Means this reduce the oxygen content in the water, and the power plants normally use the heater water to cool their machine. Ultimately, it gives the harmful effect to the aquatic life. Now let's discuss about the effects of water pollution. The water pollution damage the human health, makes our living condition precarious, and the threatens life on the planets. How? Let's see. The first one, that is, as we know that the water that become a dangerous to drink, it is not a potable one. So the human have a less safe drinking water. The second effect of water pollution, that the less clean water for the agriculture, and we need unpolluted water for the crop. Ultimately we are eating that, and the other organism is also depend on the plant, as we discussed in the food chain. The third one, that is economic cost. When the water has been polluted, there is a needed lots of money to purify it. So remove the plastic from the water bodies and so on. The change in water color, as we know that the polluted water become a visibly different one. The fifth one, that waterborne disease. Living near a polluted water can put human at the risk of disease. Waterborne disease, when the sewage combined with the drinking water, there is a likelihood of the breakout of disease. If the people end up with the drinking this kind of water, they might suffer from the disease and the water related disease such as a typhoid, cholera, and the dysentery. So these are the disease which is caused by the water. The next one, that the treatment plant. The treatment plant should be a setup, especially in the cities where the huge amount of water goes on the drain daily, and water flowing through the drain system should be properly treated and harmful pollutant removed. The seventh one, that the fever possibility for the leisure, the swimming, sailing, surfing, and the other water sports are definitely not advised in a polluted water. The next one, that the acidic rain, when the toxic gas and the smoke is released from the industries, cars and the home, the gases lead to formation of acid rain. The acidic rain is threat to human health and it also affects the living organism in soil. The next one, that the genetic mutation, the genes of a marine and the freshwater plants and the animals mutate. The next effect, that is acid ocean, means the pollution cause the ocean to acidity. The pH of water become a less than the neutral one. So it become a acidic. The next, that is algae bloom, means an excess of oxygen in the water due to the change in the chemical composition that cause the algae to bottom in overabundance, and it's block out the sunlight to come inside the pools and the river. So the ecosystem cannot survive without the sunlight. The damage to the ecosystem, it is interaction of the living things depending on the each other for the life. When their habits become a polluted, the marine and the freshwater organism are at the risk of extinction. And when the aquatic life is threatened, the entire ecosystem disturbed. As we know that all the organisms are dependent on the each other. So if this kind of things are arise, then it is ultimately damage the ecosystem. The next one, that is avoid pouring medicine and the insecticide in the toilets and the sink. Because they throw such a waste in the bathroom toilets, it's important because it's pour into toilets and sinks. This product could combine to form a harmful product. Then the last one, that use a manure instead of fertilizer. So the manure should be used instead of fertilizer because it is unlike fertilizer, it does not contain any kind of harmful chemicals. The solution, how can we prevent the water pollution? So the stop the using the harmful chemical at the home, means whatever we are using, that is should be must be eco-friendly one. The second one, that is prevent the industrial waste reaching water, means the deep dispose of industrial waste by a buying, or you can say the neutralizing it instead, means without treatment you cannot directly release that untreated water into the rivers. Should apply the treatment, after the treatment little bit purification, removing of the toxic substance, then and then we should pour or we should release it into the river. The next one, that is sewage treatment. Household water should be properly treated to make it environmentally safe. Raw sewage should never be pumped into the water. This may seem like a convenient way of disposing of it, but it is highly dangerous for the health. And effectively sewage treatment process should be put in the place. The next solution, that is treatment of industrial waste before discharge, as I discussed. Then the recycle the domestic and the commercial waste safety rather than the dumping it into the seas or near rivers. Then they promote the love for the waterways, go organic way, instead of using pesticides and the fertilizer, use the manure. Then the adherence to the water's law, and also avoid using paper bags and the plastic bags too. Then improve the oil tanker safety so the leakage can be prevented. And the last one, that is a routine cleaning. Valves legs should be regularly cleaned and treated to ensure that they may safe for the human use. So these are the things. But if asked in 3 marks, then you can write down at least, if 3 marks is there, then for each of the question you have to write down 3 to 4 points for the each question. In the next video, we will see the next question. Thank you.